Welcome to this comprehensive guide on installing PowerShell. PowerShell is a powerful cross-platform automation tool that works on Windows, Linux, and macOS. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install PowerShell on all three major operating systems. Whether you're a system administrator, developer, or IT professional, PowerShell is an essential tool that will help you automate tasks and manage your systems more efficiently. PowerShell is a cross-platform command line shell and scripting language specifically designed for system administration and automation. Unlike traditional shells that work with text, PowerShell is built on .NET framework and works with objects, giving you powerful data manipulation capabilities. PowerShell runs consistently across Windows, Linux, and macOS operating systems, making it a universal tool for IT professionals. The latest versions of PowerShell, version 7 and above, are free, open source, and actively maintained by Microsoft, ensuring regular updates and community support. Before installing PowerShell, let's review the system requirements for each operating system. For Windows, you'll need Windows 10 version 16.07 or later, or Windows 11. If you're using Windows Server, you'll need Server 2012 R2 or later. For macOS users, PowerShell supports macOS 10.13 High Sierra or later, and works on both Intel and Apple Silicon architectures. Linux users can install PowerShell on common distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and Alpine, with support for both x64 and ARM64 architectures. Windows users have three convenient methods to install PowerShell. The first and recommended method is through the Microsoft Store, which provides the easiest installation experience with automatic updates. The second method uses Winget, which is Windows Package Manager, offering the fastest command line installation. The third method involves downloading the MSI package, which is ideal for enterprise environments where you need customization options during installation. Each method installs the same PowerShell version, so choose the one that best fits your workflow. Let's walk through installing PowerShell on Windows using Winget. First, open your command prompt or Windows PowerShell. To search for PowerShell packages, type Winget search Microsoft.PowerShell. Next, to install PowerShell, type Winget install --id Microsoft.PowerShell --source Winget. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can launch PowerShell by simply typing pwsh in your terminal. This will open the new PowerShell 7 environment, ready for you to start using. macOS users also have three installation methods available. The recommended method is using Homebrew, which is a popular package manager for macOS that makes installation simple with just one command. The second method is downloading the PKG installer, which is the official installer package from Microsoft for those who prefer a graphical installation process. The third method involves using binary archives, which is an advanced option for users who need manual installation or want to install PowerShell in a specific location. Installing PowerShell on macOS using Homebrew is straightforward. First, open your terminal application. To install PowerShell, type brew install --cask PowerShell and press enter. Homebrew will download and install PowerShell automatically. Once the installation completes, you can launch PowerShell by typing pwsh in your terminal. PowerShell is now ready to use on your Mac. Linux users have multiple installation options depending on their distribution. The recommended method is using your distribution's package manager, such as apt for Ubuntu and Debian, Yum, or DNF for Red Hat-based systems. This ensures PowerShell integrates well with your system's package management. The second method uses snap packages, which provide a universal installation method that works across all Linux distributions. The third method involves downloading binary archives, which is an advanced option for users who need complete control over the installation location and configuration. Let's install PowerShell on Ubuntu or Debian-based systems. First, open your terminal. To ensure you have the latest package information, type sudo apt-get update and press enter. Enter your password when prompted. Next, to install PowerShell, type sudo apt-get install-y PowerShell. The -y flag automatically confirms the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you can launch PowerShell by typing pwsh in your terminal. PowerShell is now installed and ready to use on your Linux system. After installing PowerShell, it's important to verify that everything is working correctly. To check your PowerShell version and build information, open PowerShell and type $PS version table. This will display detailed version information. To launch PowerShell from any terminal, simply type pwsh to test that PowerShell commands are working. Type get-command, which lists all available PowerShell commands. Finally, you can verify your current working directory by typing get-location. If all these commands work correctly, congratulations! PowerShell is successfully installed and fully functional on your system.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.